Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the Prestashop on your local environment. But before starting the installation process, you first need to install the local server on your machine, like any other server, Apache, XAMPP, WAMP, whatever you want. So first you need to install that server on your machine because it's required for running our Prestashop project. So if anyone who don't know about how to set up the local server on a machine, then just ping me in a comment box. So I will make another video tutorial on a server installation. So let's start the installation process of the Prestashop. So open up your favorite browser and then just type prestashop.com. Then click on a create my store. So if you want to enter this detail like profile, email address, then just enter that details. Otherwise, just accept the terms and condition. Then this download link will be enabled. Then click on a download button. So it automatically start the downloading. Actually, I have already downloaded this Prestashop file. So this is the file. So I will just extract that file in a folder. So click on extract. And so I want to extract this file in the same folder. So yes, it is done. So you will see this file. So we need to extract again this file in another folder. So I will show you where we want to extract that file. So open a C drive. Then you will see this XAMPP folder. Actually, I have installed the XAMPP server. If you have a WAMP server or any other server like Apache, then you will see the another folder like WAMP, which includes www and HTML folder. So you need to extract that Prestashop zip file into that www folder. I have installed the XAMPP, so I'm extracting this file into the htdocs folder. So I'm just creating one new folder. Name as like Prestashop project. So I'm extracting that file in that project. So open with the WinZip. Then click on extract. I think it will take a time to extract. So just select the folder that I have created already. So open the C drive. Then there is a XAMPP. Then htdocs. Then this is the folder that Prestashop project that I have created. So extract this file into that folder. So click on extract. I think it will take more time, so I will just pause this video. So here our extraction is done. So let me show you where I have extracted that files. So from the C drive, then XAMPP, there is a htdocs folder. Then this is the folder that I have already created. So I have extracted all these files in that folder. So these are all the files of the Prestashop. Then we need to start the server. So I'm starting the XAMPP server. If you have installed the WAMP server, then you need to start that server. So I'm starting the Apache and MySQL services. Then open a browser and then just type localhost and phpMyAdmin. And in the another tab, you need to type localhost and folder name, project folder name. So this is the Prestashop project is the folder is my folder name. So this is the folder name. So you need to enter that folder name to run this project. So I'm just typing localhost and my folder name. So this is the phpMyAdmin panel. So we need to create one database for the project. So click on a new for creating the new database. Then just type the database name. So Prestashop DB is my database name. So click on a create button. So this is the database that I have already created. Then I'm just copying that folder name. Then paste it here. So this is the installation wizard of the Prestashop. So we need to complete all these steps. So first is the language selection, then license agreement, then system compatibility, then store information, then system configuration, then at the last store installation. So click on a next. So next is the license agreement. So just agree the above terms and condition. Then click on a next. Then we need to enter all these details about our store. So just type your shop name. So I'm typing my store. Then we need to choose the main activity. So I'm just selecting one activity. You can select any other activity from these options. So I'm just selecting computer hardware and software. Then we need to enter all our personal details. So I'm just randomly typing something details. Then you need to enter your password. These credentials are actually used for opening your or running your front office and back office. So you need to remember all these credentials. So just I have entering the random names, email address and password. So you you can enter your personal detail. Okay, then click on a next. Then we need to configure our database. So for configuring the database, we need to enter our database name. So the database is named like Prestashop underscore DB that I have already created the database. So just I'm entering the DB. Then database login always will be default root. Then there is no database password. So the next table prefix, you can change this prefix. This prefix is usually for the database tables names. Okay, then we'll test our database connection. So just click on a test your database connection now. So the database is connected. Click on a next. I think it will take more time for installing all the store database table. So I'm just pause this video. So here our store installation process is done. So we are totally ready to run our front office and back office. So before running our project, for the security purpose, we must need to delete the install folder. So let me show you the install folder. So open your project folder, then you will see this install folder. So we need to delete that folder before before running our project. Then we'll run our project. So this is the front office of our shop. So this is the front view. And let me show you the back office of the Prestashop. So this is the back office panel. So we need to enter all the credentials that we have entered at the time of installation. So I have entered the detail like so you need to enter all the credentials. Then click on login. So here is the back office of the Prestashop. So this is the back office and which is handled by the admin side. So if you are facing any issues, error at the time of installation process, so you just ping me in a comment box, then I will definitely help you. So we will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye, take care, happy coding.